Actually, there were a few gentlemen who were dancing in spite of the headband coming and blocking their vision. They were never letting it go. They danced. You block my vision, I'm not going to stop. That was good. Next, we have a skit by the Euro Juniors, which is about the importance of oxygen and how we will have to plant trees and how we will have to take care of our world, planet, for us to have a better life in the future years as well. For this, we have Shrinika, Rishabh, Sai Ritik, and Amrita as child narrators, Bevan, Sanjana, Sanjit, and Satvita as kids, Mrituna Vigna as Mother Earth, and Mrs. Sri Rekha will help us in the narration. And can I please ask the parents to retain and please stay back and not leave the premises just because your kids have finished their performances. We have so many other interesting performances lined for the evening. And we also have a contest for the parents. If we can please have couples who can volunteer yourself and win some exciting prizes. Thank you. While the performers are getting ready, this is about how we will have to pull up our braces and stop and start giving importance to what we are supposed to be giving and preserve our planet. If not, how worse it's going to get in the future is what we are going to see now. Thank you.
We are in 2030. Look at that. Look at our future. Look at those children of 2030. What are they carrying? What are they wearing? Oh, look at the new fashion trends.
They are carrying their oxygen kits. This is because our generation cut down the forest in greed of land development. We never took initiative to plant more trees, and now our future generations are facing the brunt of this. No trees, no plants leads to lack of oxygen in the environment and an increase in carbon dioxide. We have disturbed the natural balance of our ecosystem. And today, in order to survive on Earth in 2030, humans are paying money and buying oxygen kits. We had the privilege of free natural resources like air and water, but we never really cared and we misused them. We never thought of preserving our resources. Now the child Earth enters with very sad face.
Yes, surely the world has progressed. What happened, mother head? What happened, mother head? Why are you so sad? I am very upset and angry. Just leave me alone. Om Shanti Om. No play, no fun, only struggle to survive. No plants, no water, only struggle to survival. That's 2030, so mobile. True. Last time is 2030, so mobile will go to then play football. Then play football. Okay, Chibi. Happy Ventura can oxygen done. Yes, that was very hard to fulfill our needs. If you want to go out, go to school, we need us there. Mask. 2030, this is what happening here. Living on Earth in 2030 looks But this looks expensive. But this includes a free trip around the sun. Oh, 2030. So mobile network has gone to 4G to 10G. Wow, super exciting. There's so much development. Technology makes our life easier, and the most amazing, robots are doing our work easier and my homework too. But I have to share a robot with my family. I admire your determination to save the planet, despite your inability to save a house plant. Yes, Shirley, the world has progressed, but the pollution has increased. And shall come the weaker. Om Shanti Om. This is my life right now. Glimpse of your future. Shirley spent lots of money to order this cake. Our life are so rewarding and dull, constantly living and fear. Oh my God, that must be really difficult. I cannot imagine my life this manner. Please say that there's only one planet that has chocolate. No play, no outings, no trees around, no flowers. That brings the smile. Life will be so boring. No wonder. It is so sad.
Say it. Say loudly, say loudly. We love you,
We
mother.
love you, Mother Earth. We love you, Mother Earth. We love you, Mother Earth. Let us join our hands together to clean, green, happy Earth. Come, we go back in time 2020. We follow the sustainable development goals. So, future is fair for us to live.
Go join, say thank you. Go join. Join your hands, say thank you.
Thank you.
Lovely and very informative. Sorry, Mother Earth, you can leave now. It is in fact what we are doing now to how our future is gonna look. We should really do something about this. If we are ready to take away from Mother Nature, we should also do our bit in adding to Mother Nature. Whatever resources we can add, we will have to do our bit to increase the resources. Now, after this informative skit, can we have a relaxing session? Now, I'm not a teacher, you don't have to turn your heads away from me. I'm calling you up for a participation in a competition. Okay, it's gonna be really fun. And we do have exciting prizes. So if I can please ask parents as couples to volunteer, come up to the stage for a competition. Yeah? No. Okay, that's a smart answer. You don't have your husband. You can still bring in somebody else. Parents, please. As couples or as partners. Yeah. Okay, this is just going to be fun. If you have seen lots of reality shows, it's going to be a cakewalk for you. You're going to stand on the chart as a couple. So I'll just walk you through on how this is going to work. You'll have to stand in the chart as a couple. We are going to play a random music. You're going to dance to the tune, whatsoever you want to. Okay, it doesn't have to be in sync at all. All that you will have to make sure is you're moving, but without your legs touching the floor. Okay, it should be on the chart. You should not step on the floor. Okay, it should be on the chart. you'll have to stand on the chart and dance. How you're going to do that in unison as a couple, that's where it works. Okay? That's the key. So you'll have to stand together in the chart, dance to the music, yeah, together. Yeah, that's right, that's right. So you don't have to, you should not get your foot on the floor. It should always be on the chart while the music is playing. You should be moving. All that you should do is you should be moving. You don't have to do any extravagant steps as such. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's okay, it's gonna be fun. Okay, you will have to dance along with him too. He's dancing with your son. You will have to move along too, please. Okay? So make it difficult for the others. Give some, no, that's okay. Give some extra moves. Okay, it's going to be fun. Yeah, let's start. Let's go. Okay, good show. But trick, we'll have to fold the mats. Okay, fold the charts into half sizes and then stand.
Raindrop bouncing, my heart is announcing you got to take me away. Let's start jumping, my heart goes pumping. I love you in every way.
Okay, all helping the kids is paying off. All nursery moves I'm seeing. Good, good. You have indeed given your kids practice. So let's fold it. Yeah, yeah.
മിടുക്കി പെണ്ണേ എന്നോട് നെഞ്ചിൻ നടുക്കിരുന്നവളാണേ നീ നടുക്കിരുന്നവളാണേ നീ On the floor baby, hit it hard baby, rock the party baby, patulengi podi. On the floor baby, hit it hard baby, rock the party baby, patulengi podi.
Whoa, that was good. Ladies, show your partner her husband. He really lifted her. Okay, he made everybody envious. Okay, let's see. Okay, fold it furthermore. Give us some extravagant moves now. Will be the winner. Yeah, because all of you all have been smart, making it difficult for us. We are making it difficult for you. Okay, give us some moves. We are gonna choose any three. Yeah, but no foot in the air. Yeah, whatsoever you want. But no foot on the ground.
Rock the body baby, patulengi podi. കുടുക്കു പൊട്ടിയ കുപ്പായം ഉടുത്തു മണ്ടണ കാലത്തെ മിടുക്കി പെണ്ണേ എന്നോട് നെഞ്ചിൻ നടുക്കിരുന്നവളാണേ നീ നടുക്കിരുന്നവളാണേ നീ നടവരമ്പത്ത് കണ്ടാലും പഠിക്കൽ അങ്ങനെ നിന്നാലും പടച്ചറപ്പേ പിന്നെന്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ പടക്ക പീടിക കത്തുന്നേ പടക്ക പീടിക
ഒരിളക്കം എന്താ ഇളകിക്കൂടെ
ഉടുക്കു പൊട്ടിയ കുപ്പായം ഉടുത്തു മണ്ടണ കാലത്തെ മിടുക്കി പെണ്ണേ എന്നോട് നെഞ്ചിൻ നടുക്കിരുന്നവളാണേ നീ നടുക്കിരുന്നവളാണേ നീ On the floor baby, hit it hard baby, rock the party baby, patulengi podi. On the floor baby, hit it hard baby, rock the party baby, patulengi podi.
Okay, all mannequin poses we saw now. That was good. But you, sir, you're definitely getting a prize. You lifted her twice. At least from my side. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's done. It's done. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. We have your details. Thank you all the parents, but can we have Dikshit, Milan and Adav's parents to stay back on the stage? Milan, yeah. Dikshit, Milan and Adav's parents.
മുടുത്തു മണ്ടണ കാലത്തെ മിടുക്കി പെണ്ണെ എന്നോട് നെഞ്ചിൻ നടുക്കിരുന്നവളാണേ നീ നടുക്കിരുന്നവളാണേ നീ On the floor baby, hit it hard baby, rock the party baby, pattu lengi podi. On the floor baby, hit it hard baby, rock the party baby, pattu lengi podi. കുടുക്കു പൊട്ടിയ കുപ്പായം മുടുത്തു മണ്ടണ കാലത്തെ മിടുക്കി പെണ്ണെ എന്നോട് നെഞ്ചിൻ നടുക്കിരുന്നവളാണേ നീ നടുക്കിരുന്നവളാണേ നീ നടവരമ്പത്ത് കണ്ടാലും പഠിക്കൽ അങ്ങനെ നിന്നാലും പടച്ചറപ്പേ പിന്നെന്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ പടക്ക പീടിക കത്തുന്നേ പടക്ക പീടിക
എന്താടാ ഒരിളക്കം എന്താ ഇളകി
Wow, that was a good show. Thank you so much. So, teaching your kids has really paid you off today. Can we have Mr. Selva Perumal please on the stage to give away the prizes to the parents who had lots of compassion, compatibility showing up on the stage today. Okay, wonderful. Congratulations, all of you. No one first prize, second prize, nothing. All of you all equally have won. Thank you so much. And thanks for all the other parents who participated. It was fun having you. It was with you that it was